Hello, friends. Today, again, we are meeting to talk about life. Do we really know ourselves? If I ask you, how much do you know yourself? What will be your answer? Maybe today's talk will give us a new dimension to understand ourselves and understand our lives. We all have some or the other weakness. There is no person who has everything or who is perfect in every terms. But we all are so focused on that particular weakness of ours that we don't bring our attention on all the strengths we have or on the good qualities we have. Similarly, we all give so much attention to those things which are not in our life rather than enjoying whatever we are having in our lives. But so many of us are such who have the faith to overcome the weakness, who enjoys whatever he is having in the life. Such persons only enjoys the true meaning of the life. So, who are we? Are we enjoying whatever we are having, or are we disturbing ourselves far more than required for whatever we are not having? Are we having the ability to overcome our weakness? Think. All of us have desires. These desires makes us to plan. We all are too much focused on the future and fulfilling our plans that we are unable to enjoy the present. Life is to live today, but our most of the time is in utilizing this today for planning about tomorrow. Human beings thinks of the past and live in those memories of past or lives in planning of the future. But our life is all about today. We learn in today, we grow in today, we experience in this today. That's why we call it a present. Most of us says that we are so much stressed or we are unhappy, sad. The question for them is, are they living in present or their mind is entirely in planning for future or sad memories of the past? Too much thinking of the coming future surely brings stress, and remembering the bad memories of past surely brings sadness. And thus our life is continuously entangled in this planning and thinking and remembering, and thus the important phase of our life gets passed and we achieve nothing. We are living in such a world that doesn't exist, future and past. But the true existence is in the present where no one is giving his attention. Once I heard a dialogue from an animated movie. Future is mystery, past is history, but today is a gift. That's why we call it as a present. Can anybody remember which animated movie I am talking about? Do tell in the comment box. If we bring ourselves in this present, then isn't it possible for us to enjoy everything we have? If we could learn to live this way, then life will be full of life. Hence, it's rightly said, add life to days, not days to life. So, are we enjoying this present? In this life, we have so many expectations from different persons. If those persons are able to fulfill our expectations, then we are happy. But those persons, if they are unable to fulfill our expectations, then we become sad. So the reason for happiness and sadness is the person or our expectations. The complications in our life are made by ourselves, and most of the time of our life goes on solving these complications. If we start to see our lives with a new approach, then won't our lives will get transformed into a beautiful one? We have this another dimension in our life which can solve many entanglements. If we could keep the method of living a bit more simple, then many of the complications can get solved and we can truly have a very beautiful life. Friends, remember, you cannot live this life through thinking. We cannot bound ourselves in this process of thinking or in the process of thoughts. We are actually binding ourselves in our thinking, in our thoughts. And friends, really get yourself free from this all the futuristic plannings and the bad memories of the past. Let yourself be free. I have faith in you that you can all achieve a beautiful life. We all can have the true essence of life. Friends, you too can write about your approach of life in the comment box. Maybe through your comment, we might able to know a new dimension of life. Thank you and see you in the upcoming videos.